All right, so we're recording right now. So today I actually want to do an activity. It's very simple. Okay, I'll give a check mark for everyone who's done it. Essentially, what we're doing is that I'm actually going to give you a linear relation equation. Okay, so I might say, okay, you know what, Nathaniel, I want you to get y equals. And I'm making this up for now, and I'm gonna make it up in a bit. Okay, 3x plus 9, like that, right? Okay, and then what Nathaniel is gonna do is he's gonna go to Desmos. Okay, and then he's gonna say it's very simple. Y equals 3x plus 9. Okay, and you can see this graph immediately graphed in here. Okay, you don't have to draw it. You don't have to do anything.
That's easy.
I know, it's so easy, right? You don't have to understand anything for now, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually do a screenshot. It's very simple. Do a screenshot that includes the equation if you want, or just the screenshot that includes the graph, okay? So, and then you're gonna actually open a Google Doc, okay, a new Google Doc, and what you're gonna do is very simple. So put your name, of course, right? Okay. So put your name, okay, in a document somewhere. Okay. So let's just say I'm putting Mr. Yang or Nathaniel in this case, if Nathaniel is doing it. Okay. And then I'm gonna actually write down the graph y equals 3x plus 9. So what I want you to do is to actually do these three parameters. Okay. Slope or m. Okay. Doesn't matter what you call it. Okay. And then also y-intercept and x-intercept. Okay. So Devansh, what is the y-intercept for this equation here? Oh no, what is the slope? Sorry, what is the slope for this equation here?
I don't really understand what slope is again.
Okay, so I'm glad that you asked. So ready, guys? I spent the whole class explaining yesterday. I'm going to explain again. Slope is the number in front of x. If it's minus 3.111114, then it's negative 3.1114. Okay? If it's 9, then it's 9. If there's no number, then it's 1. Okay? X is 1x, right? Okay? In this case, so Devansh, what is the slope?
3.
Thank you. Okay? Now, here's the thing, though. Let me show you something interesting, okay? Now, if we actually increase the number, what happens is that if we put it 4, it's actually going to actually be more steep. You see? It's going to be steeper and steeper, okay? 5, okay? Or 6, 7. How about 100? Then it's going to be really close to the line here, see? Really close to the line, okay? Okay, 100 is going to be really close to the line.
What about 200,000?
Yeah, it's going to be really close to the line. But if I put 0.1, you see what happened? 0.2, 0.3, or 0.0009, it's going to be almost flat. See? Okay. So you can play around with the number and see what changes the number. Now, here's the thing though. If I actually change 9, which is b, okay, in this case, we go mx plus b, right? This is plus something, it's plus b. So if we actually put plus 2, then it's going to be moved down. If I put plus 3, it's going to be moved up. See? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See? It's going to be moved up, right?
So B extends the line?
No, B just moved the line up. It literally moved it up like this, okay? So you see how it meets 0, 10 here? If I put 11, it's going to be meeting at 0, 11. So it moved up. The angle of the line is the same, by the way. Okay? So that's actually what these numbers do. Now, if I put negative 3, watch what happened. It's the opposite.
It flips.
Okay, it flips. It mirrors, right? It flips, right? And if I put negative 1 over 3, okay, 1 over 3, it's going to be pointing down at a perpendicular. It's perpendicular. It's actually exactly 90 degrees from the original line, actually, okay? It's exactly 90 degrees from the original line, okay? Anyway, so let's go back to y equals 3x plus 9, right? Now, in the future, you're going to be learning quadratic equation, and you're going to actually learn about how to draw parabolas like this, by the way. See? So you're going to actually learn how to do that in the future, or maybe...
This year?
No, not this year, in the future. You're going to learn how to draw stuff like this, or stuff like, yeah, like this in the future, in your future learning. Okay? So anyway, but, yeah, don't worry about it. Okay? Don't worry about it.
No, but aside that, I want to know the symbol.
Let's just learn this for now. Okay? Let's learn this for now. Now, so what is the y-intercept? Nathaniel, what is the y-intercept? Saloni, can you turn on your camera, please? Please turn on your camera. Ravia, please turn on your camera. Thank you. Nathaniel, yeah, go ahead.
The y-intercept is 9, 0.
9, 0. Okay. So 0, 9. Okay. So how did you come up with 0, 9?
Because B is
Okay.
is like, it represents the y-axis.
Okay. So y-intercept is really when x is 0. Okay. Okay. So if I were to show you the calculation, okay, if I...
Wait, it would be 3.
No. Okay. I'm going to put some explanation in here. You don't have to do this, okay? Intercept is when x is 0, okay? So, Ravia, y equals 3 times 0 plus 9. So what is y? Ravia. Ravia, I want to hear from Ravia. You're not Ravia. Come on. Ravia, can you unmute, please? I can't hear you.
Y is 9.
Thank you. Okay, now continue. Don't unmute. Okay, I want you to calculate this. X-intercept, okay, is when y is 0. Okay, so when y is 0, so 0 equals... Okay, Ravia, I told you not to unmute, right? Hang on, I'm gonna ask you a question. Okay, 3x plus 9. So how do we solve for x, Ravia?
X is 3.
If x is 3, then 0 equals 3 times 3 plus 9, which is 18. Is 0 equal to 18? No. Okay, so 3 is not right. So how do you solve for x? Remember unit 1 or the review unit that we went through? How do you isolate x? How do you put x on one side? You don't know? Okay. So this is what you do. Watch, okay? Watch. I want you to really pay attention and do it as if you're doing it, okay? But instead, I'm going to tell you what to do, and then you're going to tell me what the next step is whenever you can, okay? Ready? Okay, pay attention. Don't just watch and be like, okay, yeah, this sounds good. No, okay? Watch this very carefully, okay? Ready? Both sides is going to subtract 9, okay? Because it's like a scale, right? Both sides, right? So you can actually add or subtract something, okay? And you still balance, right? So 0 plus 9 equals 3x plus 9. Oh, no, minus 9, sorry. Both sides subtract 9. That's what I said, right? So subtract 9. Okay, so Ravia, what is on the left side?
9.
0 minus 9 is 9?
No. Oh, yeah.
What is 0 minus 9? Good. Okay. On the right side, what is it?
9 minus 9.
So,
0.
no. 3x plus 9 minus 9. What is the right side? What is the right side?
Okay. 3 times 3.
It's not 3 times. It's 3x. 3x plus 9 minus 9.
3.
So you got 3x, you got plus 9, you got minus 9. What's the answer on the right side?
18.
3x plus 9 minus 9 is 18. Okay, Abby, help Rabia here. Okay, I'm gonna come back to you Rabia, so don't unmute. Abby, what is it? 3x plus 9 minus 9. What is the answer? No idea?
3x.
Thank you. 3x. Rabia, do you understand why it's a 3x? No idea. So what is 1,000 plus 9 minus 9? Or 10,000 plus 9 minus 9?
10,000.
Thank you. So what is 3x plus 9 minus 9?
3x.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So now we have 3x equals minus 9. Then what do you do on both sides? Rabia, to get x.
You subtract them.
Subtract what?
Negative 3x.
Not it. Nathaniel, what do you do on both sides? Where's Nathaniel? Nathaniel, what do you do?
On both sides, you subtract 9.
So negative 9 minus 9 equals 3x minus 9. Is that what you want to do?
Wait, no.
Okay. Let me ask Saloni. Saloni, do you know what to do? This video is getting too long. Oh. Saloni, what do you do to get the value of x? You don't know? Okay, if you don't know, just say you don't know. You don't have to stare at the numbers. It's not gonna. The answer is not gonna come out. Just say you don't know, please.
Just waiting and figured it out.
Okay, Saloni, do you know or do you not know? Just say it. It's okay.
I don't know.
Thank you. It's fine. If you don't know, just don't stare at the numbers. It's okay. If you need time to calculate, that's different. Right? If you don't know how to calculate at all, this is a completely different story. Yes, Nathaniel, go ahead.
You divide both sides by 3.
By 3. Divide both sides by 3. Everyone heard that? 3x divided by 3 and negative 9 divided by 3. So what is x equal to, Nathaniel?
X is equal to negative 3.
Thank you. Okay, good. Negative 3. So that means that if you go back to the original calculation and you put negative 3 in here, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, right? Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. Okay. So when y is 0, x is negative 3. So if I go back to Desmos and I look at here, you see negative 3 and 0. So when y is 0, so when the height is 0, x touches negative 3 here. You see what happened? That is the x-intercept. That's exactly the point that touches it. So in conclusion, okay, y-intercept is, okay, when x is 0, which is 0, 9, right? And x-intercept is when y is 0, which is, okay, negative 3, 0, okay? It's always x coordinate first and y, okay? So this is negative 3, 0. X is negative 3, y is 0. X is the horizontal distance, right? And y is the height, right? It's the vertical distance, okay? So that's what you should do, by the way, okay? And then save this as a PDF and upload it to Etsy. That's what we're gonna do today, okay? Guys?